Here's a 2012 Ford Escape. Get away every time you get into this Escape. Its amazing ability and maximum cargo configurability makes every trip the perfect journey. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: automatic transmission, manual tilting steering column, voice activation, auto-dimming rearview mirror, leather steering wheel, power heated mirrors, sync external memory control, aluminum wheels, Bluetooth, and front heated leather bucket seats. MSN Autos reports the Escape interior is fresh and crisply contemporary without trendy excesses. Built on tradition, built to last. Ford. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.